Hello guys, today I will show how to setting real-time log for the AQ Master. Click here at real-time log. Then add this setting. Give file name. For example, KRN100. Please remember to ticket logging. Setting save interval I choose 1 second. Then go to file path setting. Okay, choose folder you going to save. I choose desktop folder KRN100. Then give name to your file. Let's say KRN100. Okay, and you select the file naming rules here. Then click OK. After that, go to tag list information. Okay, now you select the tag. I choose channel 1 PV and channel 2 PV. After done, click OK. Okay, check back the setting, make sure logging is ticked. Last but not least, click OK. Now you can see the real-time log is active. After you click run, the active will become running. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on Autonix Fans channel.